Can I add refrigerant myself? Technically, you can buy small cans of refrigerant at a hardware store, but in most cases you should not do this yourself, and in many states it is actually against federal law to handle certain refrigerants without a license. Here's what is really going on. Your air conditioner is not like a car that just burns fuel and runs out. It is a sealed loop, which means if your refrigerant level is low, it is not because it got used up, it is because there is a leak somewhere in the system. So if you just dump more refrigerant into a leaking system, you are only covering up the real problem for a little while, and that refrigerant will leak right back out, sometimes in just a few weeks. Also, something most people do not know is that refrigerant is actually regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency, because it can harm the ozone layer if it escapes into the air, which is exactly why only certified technicians are legally allowed to buy the professional grade stuff and handle it properly. On top of that, adding too much or too little refrigerant can actually damage your compressor, which is the most expensive part to replace in the whole system. One big mistake people make is assuming low refrigerant just means the system is old and needs a top off, when really it almost always means there is a hidden leak that needs to be found and fixed first. Another common issue is using the wrong type of refrigerant for your specific unit, since older systems use a different type than newer ones, and mixing them can cause serious damage. A good tip here is to always ask a technician to do a leak search and repair before adding any refrigerant so you are not wasting money over and over again. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.